Hi, I'm Luke. I'm here to interview some of the players and play a bit of Jenga.
And at first, the entire team was happy to accommodate Luke, but their smiles quickly faded as Luke cut them down one by one. And after the leaning tower of Egan fell, Luke spied his next victim, Harvey Vale. And as a last resort, players turned to the one person they knew would stand up for them in their time of need, their captain.
Do you want to start?
You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me see, my hands are cold, so let's go. Oh. Right. Superstitions.
Do you have any?
My superstitions, I always put on my right sock, then my left, and then tie my right, then my left.
That's a bit of a random one.
Yeah, it is a little bit. I've always done that though. Let me see. Oh, that's a nice one. There we go. Hardest lesson in sport. The hardest, but the best, I think, is when you lose. I think you learn the most about yourself.
Yeah.
And you learn the most of what you want to do in the future to not have that same feeling again. Plans for after football. Relax. You think it's gonna fall?
No.
Oof, you done well there.
Funniest dressing room moment.
Sometimes in Brentford, we hide people's shoes in the ceiling. And they walk in and they can't find it and they're looking and they get stressed. We're in bits here, oh my god. Oh no! Thank you very much, good game.
Even the almighty captain had to take a bow in front of Luke.